Hey, what's going on, guys? Here I have one of my new programs we wrote today. It's a MAC address spoofer, and it's mostly for Linux systems, but I'm planning on making it cross-platform with Windows and Mac as well. And yeah, it works pretty simply. It's around 200 lines. Pretty simple tool. It requires two packages, NetTools and ETH tool as well. And this is to find the permanent Mac, and then this is to just put the ifconfig in the output. So let's go ahead and run this, and we'll show you what it's all about. So right there, you immediately know you need to run it as root. So we're gonna sudo that. That's my password. Alright, so it shows all the interfaces on my device. So currently I have this one, which is a wireless, and then this is an Ethernet. So let's choose the Ethernet. We can choose by number. So we can do 0 or 1. If you choose 2, it's not going to work. So let's do 1. And then here, let's open this a little bit. Right here, it shows our permanent MAC address, which is right here. And then our current MAC address, which is this one, the permanent, so it's the same. It's just standard. And we also have some sample MAC addresses we can use here. So here's a Microsoft MAC address, Apple, Cisco, and Google. So yeah, I added these four just to have some samples. So you can basically either choose from here by copy and pasting. So let's go ahead and do that. Copy and paste, enter, change the MAC address. It shows our permanent MAC address, which doesn't change at all. And then I'll put our new MAC address is going to be the one that we chose right here, which is an Apple one. So let's run again. We're going to choose Ethernet again. And now let's do a random MAC address. Now we can just type random. And as you can see, it shows our permanent MAC again, new MAC address, and it'll choose a random one from this list right here. So it looks like it chose this one right here, the Apple one. Now let's run this again, Ethernet again, and let's do reset. So if we do reset, it'll change the MAC address back to the permanent MAC address. So yeah, works pretty well. That's about it. Not much to really show. I mean, let's do it again. Let's do Google. And copy and paste that. And then, yeah, it changes. So, yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Pretty fast program. Very simple to understand. So, hey, if you wanted to edit this a little bit, feel free. It's open source. I don't mind. But, yeah. Anyways, I'll post the GitHub link in the description so you guys can check it out. And thanks for watching.